Hello, welcome to today's movie. In today's movie, we'll look at the chi-square test of association or independence, but this time we'll use SPSS. In a previous movie, we looked at Excel. So let's briefly just look at the Excel problem again. And this is the problem. We have 1,213 participants. They each answered a question about the type of advert, which is either image or issue, and the appeal of the advert in terms of fear or no fear, etc. And these are the solutions. This is Pearson's chi-squared that we looked at in the previous movie, and we also have the application of Yates correction. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at SPSS, and SPSS is so easy, so quick. So you can see the participant numbers are in the first column, type of advert, appeal of the advert. Now all we need to do now is click on Analyze, click on Descriptive Statistics, and click on Cross-Tabs. Okay, and after a few seconds, the cross-tab menu will appear. Now what we want to do now is transfer type of advert into rows, the appeal of the advert into columns, and then let's click on Statistics. And once we've got the Statistics menu, we want the chi-square test statistic, then click Continue. Then we'll click on Cells, and we want the observed frequency and the expected frequency. Click on Continue, click OK, and the results will appear in a SPSS output window. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy this set of results. I'm going to screen capture. I'm going to go to Excel. Okay, let's go to the first method using Pearson's chi-squared method. I'm just going to paste that information into there. Okay, oh, wrong one. Apologies. Give me a second. What's going on here? There we are. So if I just copy, give me one moment. Just be a second. Back to Excel. Paste it in. There we are. There we are. Okay, and if I enlarge that. Okay, so you can see here, look, there's the Pearson chi-squared value, 23.584, 23.584. You can see it's the continuity correction, that's Yates. So if I go to the Yates solution, paste that table into there as well. Let's push it up a little bit and expand so you can see it better. Give me one moment. Okay, so the if I push that up, there we are. So continuity correction is 22.882. There we are, 22.882. Okay, you can see the p-value. Look, it's 0.000. We've got 0.0000017. If you double click on that in SPSS output file, it'll expand it out and give you more decimal places. So you can see you get exactly the same solution. So in this particular case, 0.000 is less than 0.05. We reject the null hypothesis, we accept the alternative hypothesis, and we say that their association does exist between the type of advert and the appeal of the advert. So SPSS is very easy to use. It also gives you the counts and the expected counts, as you can see there, and you can compare them with your original table when using Excel. Okay, so that's it for now. Bye. Take care.